This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a diagnostic test for a Whirlpool dishwasher, and pretty simple. You're just going to press any three keys in succession. You're going to press 1, 2, 3, and then you press the same keys again, same sequence, 1, 2, 3, and then you press it again, 1, 2, 3. So you're doing any three keys except the power key, and you're doing it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just got to make sure it's all done within 8 seconds, and then it'll give you. You'll see the all the lights light up. You'll see the display say 8888, and then it will give you the error codes that are stored, telling you what might be wrong with it, and also. If there's nothing wrong with it, I believe you'll see just an E followed by an F and no numbers. That would mean that it's just no codes have been stored. When you remove the bottom panel of your dishwasher underneath the door, you'll find paperwork that shows how to run this same test, and also will give you any error codes and what they mean. So it's a technician sheet that we use as appliance technicians, but you can use it also to check to see what's going on with your dishwasher. This dishwasher just was having trouble filling. The fill valve was no longer working as well as it should, so I replaced the fill valve. But it's pretty easy to do the diagnostic. Again, you press 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll see all these lights light up as we're seeing here. And I'm going to close the door. When I open it back up, I'm getting the E followed by the F, and that's just the way that it indicates that no error codes had been stored. And then the diagnostic sheet again is down underneath the kick panel underneath the door. Hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.